Today, we are going to talk about something very important, and that is how to pack an emergency go bag. Whether it's for natural disasters, sudden evacuations, or any unexpected situations, having a go bag ready can make a big difference. So, let's get started. First things first, you need a sturdy backpack. Something comfortable to carry, durable, and with plenty of compartments. This one is my personal favorite because it's both roomy and lightweight at the same time. Next up are water and non-perishable food. Pack at least a 3-day supply of water, about 1 gallon per person per day. And for foods, choose items like energy bars, canned goods, and dried fruits that are foods that won't spoil easily. A well-stocked first aid kit is crucial, and this includes bandages and antiseptics, tweezers, scissors, and any other prescription medications you and your family might need. Personal hygiene is still important, even in an emergency. Pack items like wet wipes, hand sanitizers, toothbrush, toothpaste, and any other essential toiletries that you can find in your home. We also have here face mask and a pair of gloves. For face mask, it protects our respiratory system from any harmful particles and compromised air quality. And for a pair of gloves, this is essential from injuries and handling debris or any hazardous materials. As add-ons on your essentials, pack a change of clothes and sturdy shoes. Remember to include weather-appropriate items depending on your location and the season. We also have here a small sleeping bag or a blanket that can make a big difference if you need to sleep somewhere unexpected. Don't forget a flashlight and extra batteries in it. A multi-tool can also come in handy for various tasks and emergencies. We also have here the power bank and the charger. For a power bank, this ensures devices stay charged for communication and accessing information without electricity. And for a charger, this is necessary for recharging devices to maintain contact and receive updates during an emergency. Also, don't ever forget about keeping copies of important documents in a waterproof folder. This includes IDs, insurance policies, bank account information, and with some cash. Lastly, a whistle to go signal for help, and a battery-powered or hand-crank radio to stay informed about the current situation. And there you have it. Your emergency go bag is now ready. It contains items needed for 72 hours or 3 days during a disaster. It should be ready at all times and placed in a location where you have a full access to it. It's a simple yet crucial step to ensure safety and preparedness. So, stay safe everyone. Bye!